Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin, and it has been far too long since I've done any watch videos. Honestly guys, I haven't even hardly looked at any comments or done much with the channel. It has been a crazy couple of months. And I'm far behind on everything. I got two watches here. We're going to do two different box openings. I actually have like 5 or 6 more watches waiting to be checked out. Both of these are my watchgang black membership watches. This one is from July. Here we are at the end of August, and this is my August one. So we're going to start with the one from July really quick. Open this bad boy up and see what we got. Before I do that, we'll do a quick wrist check, and you'll see that I am wearing my Tech RR3. Now this one is getting a little beat up. I do wear the crap out of this thing. This was one of my watchgang platinum watches, and I still love it. So it gets quite a bit of wrist time. Also guys, if you are into old cars, check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. I have been able to put up some videos during this crazy time on that channel. And if you're looking for some deals, check below. I have discount codes and promo codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, Ballast, and even my watchgang code. If you sign up for watchgang, it gets me some points for the wheel, and it actually gets you some points for the wheel as well. So kind of cool that this card happened to be about the wheel. Yeah, and I use my wheel points to get more watches for the channel. So if you're thinking about signing up for watchgang, make sure you click that link below. Grant Brown, not one I've heard of before. Let's take a look and see what we've got. Ooh, I do kind of like that though. All right. Pull off the plastic there. Got a nice crystal, nice dome to it. This one is automatic. I really like the look of this one so far. I'm not a huge fan of I don't know what it is about some of these watches with the white stitching and the rivets, which is funny. I'm wearing a watch with some stitching, but it's kind of a orangish color on that leather. Let's see what we got. Looks like we've got a Seiko NH35, but I will have to do some research on this one because I know nothing about the company. So I can't give you any details on price-wise, but man, that's a sharp-looking watch. I actually really like that one. Let me pull off my Tech really quick. We'll throw this one on wrist just to get a little bit better look at it on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Oop. Not always easy to do from behind the camera. Little stiff on the leather. It's pretty thick. Looks like I'm probably going to go 4 to 5 holes in. It depends. I don't know if you guys run into that issue. Sometimes I start on a one hole, and later in the day it's almost, I almost swell up a little bit and have to move to a different hole. But I like the look of that. Ooh, that leather is pretty stiff. Simple, clean, but that dome and that crystal gives it some nice depth and character to it. Man, I really dig this one. So this will definitely get some wrist time. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for sticking with me and putting up with me not posting videos for a while. As always, guys, thanks for watching.